Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports eSIM and that you have the QR code, activation code, or SMDP plus details. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and make sure the device is fully charged and updated. This prevents mid-process failures. Now open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Follow the on-screen scanner or select Manual Entry. This starts the actual provisioning step you need to complete next. You scan the QR or type the SMDP plus and activation code precisely, because a single character error stops provisioning. Once the plan appears, label it for clarity and decide whether this will be your default line for voice, SMS, or data. Make sure airplane mode is off. If activation pauses, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds and back off to trigger network re-registration. While the device registers with the carrier, monitor the activation status and keep any carrier app open for follow-up prompts. You finish by verifying service. Make a test call, send a text, and browse to confirm data works. Also check that the carrier name and APN settings match. If it fails, first reboot the device, then reset network settings to clear stale configurations. If that does not help, remove the eSIM profile and reinstall using the original QR or manual details. This often resolves provisioning hangs. If you still get errors, contact your carrier with the device ID and activation code for direct support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.